Packers are playing. We'll do a little quick unboxing. You see it as we go to the commercial break of the Packers game. All right, perfect time to do an unboxing. Packers are playing. You see it, the moment we all been waiting for. All right. Sweetwater. You know how it is when you get that package. You already know. So let's go ahead and get into this. We have here today. Alright, get a little bit more light going on. Sweetwater. You know how it is. You get your usual book covered up so you can do your unboxing. No personal information showing, but whatever. We don't care about that, do we? What do we have here? You can see that. The first thing we're gonna unbox, the Roland VT3 voice transformer. So let's get that out the box. All right. What? Right now, I'm shaking. All right, this is what it is when you get you do an unboxing when you don't order multiple pieces. So we got the Roland VT voice transformer along with the Behringer US 600 Alter shifter harmonist. So that's how it comes, you know, in the plastic inside of a box. Real easy to open. I like that. And last but not least, the Akai Tom Cat. Alright, so go ahead and put all this crap back in the box. Toss that to the side there. Now, here we go. There it is. The Tom Cat. Maybe that's too much lighting. Maybe that was too much lighting. Here we go. Tom Cat. Man, this box is nice. I like this box. So that's a quick unboxing of the Roland VT3 transformer, the Tom Cat, and also the Behringer Alter shifter harmonist. So I'm excited to get these 3 items today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and come back and do an official presentation review. But for right now, this is just a quick snippet of what I got. The Tom Cat by Akai and the voice transformer VT3. So I'm gonna be back at y'all in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Alright, so here we go. We got the Tom Cat. We back. Bam. So what you get inside the box, of course you get your power cord. This power cord seems to be different than shaped a little different than the rest of my power cords. I'm down getting cold. So this charger is long in the mud. Like none of my other chargers are really power source is really that long. So whatever. So that's your power source. And of course the main attraction. So your boxing is pretty simple. You get the unit itself and the power source. That's it. They could have tossed you a USB cable, but they had you on the line there. Okay, first impression. I'm loving this build quality. It has some nice weight to it. It has very, very good weight to it. It doesn't feel like a piece of junk by no means. So unfortunately, this will not be a full-out review of the product. I'll come back and do another review of the actual sounds and performance of it. Right now, this is just my first impression. First impression is nice. It has this plastic, but it's got the wood grain look to it. It's hard. So it's hard, but it's not. It doesn't feel like wood. It just looks like wood. I guess in the back, what we have here, all the stuff you can see online. Your midis, your what's this? The sink. That's your gate in and out, USB and power source, and your cable and your DC line in. So yeah, man, my first impression is the build quality on this is nice. It's nice premium build quality. Alright, so that's the Tom Cat. First impression.